there, it's Nabila with RexTheme, and today I'm going to show you an awesome product, and that is dynamic discounts for WooCommerce. It's a real game changer when it comes to pricing your products. Instead of having the same old fixed prices for everyone, this lets you get creative and set up dynamic pricing for your different kinds of products. And in this video, I'm going to show you an overview of the tool. So let's get started. So to use the dynamic discount for WooCommerce, you need to have WooCommerce installed and activated, and you need to also have dynamic discounts installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. So I've already done that, and you can see when I hover over WooCommerce, the dynamic discounts option appears, and when you click on it, it takes you to this dashboard. Now, currently I don't have any discounts saved here. So to create a discount, you have to go to the license module and insert your license key here, then activate the license. So if you need any other helps, you can also check out the documentations from below. So let's go back to the list. And then to create a discount, you have to click on create new, and then you can go ahead and create the discount here. So first I'm going to show you what type of discounts we have currently. So here you can see that we have the product-based discount, cart-based discount, bulk product discounts, stock-based discount, bundle discount, and buy X and get X discount. So you can give the discount title here. So let me just explain you what the discount types are. So the product-based discount is when you select it, you can see that you can add a specific percentage discount or a fixed price discount based on all products, or you can select specific products. You can choose the products from this field, or you can select a specific category or categories to insert a discount. So let's say you have maybe added 20% discount on a specific category. So the category could be clothing, or you can add more categories in this list. So this is basically product-based discount. Then if you go ahead and change it to cart-based discount, this is kind of the same thing. You can add a discount label here, and you can select the cart-based discount for any product. All right. Then let's go to the third one, which is bulk product discount. Now this is a bit different. What you can do is set up a minimum quantity and maximum quantity of the bulk products. All right. So for the all products, so for the minimum quantity, let's say the customer has to purchase a minimum of 5 products and maximum of 10 products, and the discount percentage maybe would be 10%. And then you can add a title here. So this is basically the bulk purchases. So if a person purchases from 5 to 10 products, then this discount would be applied. Now you can increase the quantity however you want. Now that's all about the bulk product discount. Now you can see that you can also select the specific products option or the category products option as well. Now if you go ahead and check the next one, that one is stock-based discount. Now this is kind of a similar type of discounts for the stock-based. Now if you check the tooltip, you can see that if you wish to offer a stock discount for a product, create pricing tiers based on your stock. For instance, if you have stock between 5 to 10, then you can add let's say discount for 10%. But if you have like lesser, if you have quantity 1 to 4, then you can increase the discount up to 20%. Now you can see that you can add any type of discount based on your stock. Now this is also applicable for specific categories, specific products, or maybe for all products. You can do that for any product you want. Then let's go to the next one. Next one is the bundle set discount. Now bundle set discount is basically you have to select a specific quantity. So let's say 3. Now for 3 products, you can add a discount value. Now this is fixed, and you can also set up percentage per item. So for each item, 10% or a 20% discount would be applied, or you can also add specific fixed amount of discount per item. Now let's say someone purchases 3 t-shirts. What's gonna happen here is $10 would be deducted from each shirt. You can also add a title here. So this is also applicable for all type of products. Then comes a special one. Now this one is buy X get X. So this is basically called a BOGO discount. Usually people give buy one get one discount. So you can set up whatever amount you want. Now let's say you want to set buy 2 get 2 offer. Now to avail this offer, the person who's purchasing has to minimum purchase 2 and maximum purchase 2. So this is only for buy 2 get 2. All right, so you are giving 2 products for free. Now similarly, you can also increase this. Let's say if you want to say buy 3, maximum quantity has to 3 now, and you're giving it 1 product for free. So this is basically how this discount works. Now you can utilize this however you want, and you can add as many buy X get X promotions as you want within this one discount. Now you can see we have another option here called apply this discount and ignore all other discounts, right? Now this is something that you can enable, and once you do that, no matter how many discounts you have on your dashboard, only this specific discount will be active and the other ones would be deactivated. All right, so that's about it for the basic overview. Now I'm going to show you how to create a discount, and I'm going to show you a special feature in this section. Now if you click on create new, you can give a title here. So let's say I'm just going to create a specific discount, which is, let's say, prod discount, get this special discount. Now I'm going to select the discount type as product based discount. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and select a percentage. So let's say 25% discount, and this would be only for specific products. So let's say I want to give a product based discount to only the products which says winter on their name. All right, so let's say for these, now you can see I can add a special something here, which is, would you like to specify a time frame? So this is a question, right? Now if I select this, you can see a module appears. Now here it says that you can specify a time frame for this discount. So if you, let's say, select 17th May to, let's say, 31st May, and you select this, and what happens is this discount will be automatically live between 17th May to 31st May, and after 31st May this discount will be over, and you don't have to set anything manually here. All right, so this is a special feature that we have in dynamic discounts, and you can use this. This is very amazing. And another thing that happens here is, does this account apply on a recurring basis each year? So this is another special thing that we have in dynamic discounts. So basically what happens here is, if you enable this option, the next year between 17th to 31st May, this discount will be live again. You won't have to go back and set it up manually for the next year. So this option is amazing because you can use this option to create discounts for Black Friday, maybe Cyber Monday. We have discounts on Christmas. You can use it for special holiday discount, and you won't have to do anything manually each year. So this is awesome, right? So you can use this to create the discount. So I'm just going to, for now, not enable this, and I'm going to keep it as it is. So once I do that, my discount is created. So this is basically my discount. Now I'm going to go to my store. All right, so let's go to the WooCommerce store, and let's say, where's my winter products? You can see that I have 25% discount on my winter blue sweater. winter polo, winter gloves. You can see that I didn't select the winter sweater, so there's no discount here, but I have discounts in these that I selected. All right, so this is how the discounts work. Now let's go back and I'm going to show you another special feature that we have. Now let's go to the discount that we just created. If you go down, you can see an option called conditions, right? Now this is an optional thing. Now you can either add this or don't add this. Your discounts will work perfectly. But if you want to add some advanced conditions to the discounts that you set up, you can use this. So let's see how it works. Now, if you click on add new here, you can see that you can set some condition types. So if you click on the drop down here, you can see that there's an option called cart, customer, shipping, purchase history, billing. So let me clarify this. So let's say if you click on the cart subtotal, it's by default selected is less than, let's say, $25. Then only this discount that you created just now will be active. But if you don't select this and if you just delete this, no matter the cart amount, doesn't matter which status your customer is in, this discount will be applied to everyone. Now let me show you the other conditions. Now let's say you want to select a specific customer user role. So here you'll see that the existing user role appears. So basically if your user role of the person who's purchasing is customer, only then this special discount would be active. Otherwise, no one else would be able to avail this discount. All right. So there's some more options we have. Let's say the shipping, you can set up conditions for specific country, zip code, city and state. Then there's purchase history. So maybe this is your customer's first order. Only then this discount would be applied. Now it could be the total spent amount of your customer, then the status of the last order amount, the number of orders made by that customer. So using this, you can reward your loyal customers. Then there's also another one called customer is logged in. You can specify this for specific emails, users, and the billing city. You can edit however you want. So the options vary based on the conditions you set. All right. So this is basically the advanced conditions. Then I'm going to show you another one, which is the analytics. So if you go to the analytics option, you'll see that the total discount orders, the total sales revenue you got from the discounts you set up, the average order value, the customer acquisition, customer retention, regular sales revenue that you're having, then discounted sales revenue that you have, and average discounted order value. So in the analytics, you can check everything. In fact, you can check discount based analytics as well. So let's say you have a product based discount, bulk product discount, and bundle set discount. All right. So you can check individual report for each discount you have set up on your store. So that's cool, right? Now you can go ahead and use this very easily and in the easiest UI you can ever find for your WooCommerce store. So whether you're looking to run some sweet promotions, cater your B2C clients, or maybe you want to reward your loyal customers, Dynamic Discounts for WooCommerce has got your back. I've added the link in the description box. Go ahead and check it out and let us know in the comment box how you're using the tool. I'll see you in my next video. Take care until then.